Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically enter data to multiple worksheets in Excel. Alright, there you go. So now let's go ahead and try to use substitute function here as an example. Say for example in substitute 1 and or sheet 1 and 2, what you're going to do is change the instance of the first here. Let's go ahead and do that. So the way you do it here is you have to make sure that they're exactly the same thing. So that way you'd be able to do this one. So for example, sheet 1, sheet 2, I basically just highlighted them by clicking control and then choosing both sheets. So from here, we can go ahead and proceed. So let's go and use a substitute function. All right, there you go. And then let's go ahead and choose this one. And then let's go and change, say for example, the underscore, and we're going to change it to there goes slash, and then the instance that we're changing is the one or the first one. Okay, spelling substitute, there you go. So now you can see I'm able to do this one, so I can go ahead and just drag the same thing. Okay, there you go. So now we are able to get it. So this is actually applying both to sheet 1, 2, but 3 you can see that's not doing that one. So we're going to go ahead and click control and then choose sheet 3 and 4. I think it'll be fine if we just copy the formula here. So in this case, sheet 3 and 4. Here, I'm going to type that formula, but we're changing instance number 2. So click enter, and then let's go ahead and change them for all. And you can see that now it is working. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to enter data to multiple worksheets in Excel.